So if the quadratic equation has equal roots, then ABC are in. Okay. So what does it mean? Equal roots meaning that D is equal to 0, meaning that minus 2C into A plus B whole square, or let me write it in two steps. So B square minus 4AC equals to 0 in the equation if X square plus BX plus C equals to 0. So whereas B is this whole thing, minus 4AC is 4 into B square plus C square into C square plus A square equals to 0. Then this comes out as 4C square A plus B whole square minus 4. And then I can multiply these things. B square C square B square A square C to the power 4 C square A square equals to 0. Then I can take 4 out and then remove it, and this becomes C square A square plus 2AB plus B square, and this will become minus B square C square plus B square A square plus C to the power 4 plus C square A square equals to 0. Then you can expand this will become C square A square plus 2AB C square plus B square C square minus B square C square minus B square A square minus C to the power 4 minus C square A square. So whatever is getting subtracted, remove it. So what we are left with is again C to the power 4 minus C to the power 4, let's write that way, minus B square A square and then plus 2AB C square equals to 0. Like wondering, but this is C square minus AB whole square actually. This is what it is, equals to 0 actually. So this is actually C square is actually equal to AB. If that happens, then you can say this ABC are in GP. It is not ABC, but rather ACB are in JP. ACB are in GP. It's geometric progression. So ACB they're saying, right? Yeah. So just like AP, I was mentioning, this is geometric progression. What is your geometric progression is? When so for AP, the second term minus first term would be a constant, third term minus second term would be a constant. In this case, second term divided by first term, third term divided by the second term would be constant. So for example, this 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 are in GP. We are saying that in geometric progression. So what happens here is that 4 by 2 is going to be equal to 2. 8 by 4 is going to be equal to 2. 16 by 8 is going to be equal to 2, and so on and so forth. If that happens, if the terms are in the same ratio, then we call them that are there in GP. And this thing is what we call as the common ratio. Okay, this is the thing they are called common ratio. So in general, how we represent GP is we represent a GP like this: AR into AR square. The number is A into AR square, AR to the power 3, and AR to the power n minus 1, wherein where A equals to first term, R equals to common ratio. So in the here, the case here, our first term is 2, so A is 2 for this case, and R is also 2. Okay. So if I'm saying that ACB are in GP, so all we are saying here is that C by A would be equal to B by C, or we can say that C square is actually equal to AB, and this is what it is. Okay.